Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let us change improper fraction to mixed number. We have here 7/3. Let us change 7/3 to mixed number. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 7 will be our dividend and 3 will be our divisor. 7 divided by 3. How many times does 3 go into 7? So the answer is 2. Now multiply the answer and the divisor. 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Now, the quotient 2 will be the whole number. The remainder 1 will be the numerator. And the 3 here will be our denominator. So the answer is 2 1/3. Another 8/5. Change 8/5 to mixed number. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 8 will be our dividend and 5 will be our divisor. Now, how many times does 5 go into 8? So the answer is 1. Now, multiply the answer and the divisor. 5 times 1 equals 5. Subtract. 8 minus 5 equals 3. The quotient 1 will be our whole number. The remainder 3 will be our numerator. Then copy the denominator here, 5. So, the answer is 1 3/5. Another 5/2. Change 5/2 to mixed number. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 will be our dividend and 2 will be our divisor. Now, how many times does 2 go into 5? So the answer is 2. Multiply the answer and the divisor. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now, the quotient 2 will be our whole number. The remainder 1 will be our numerator. And copy the denominator 2 here. So, the answer is 2 1/2. Another 11/5. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 11 will be our dividend and 5 will be our divisor. Now, how many times does 5 go into 11? So the answer is 2. Multiply the divisor and the answer. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 11 minus 10 equals 1. So the quotient 2 here is our whole number, and the remainder 1 will be our numerator, and copy the denominator 5 here. So the answer is 2 and 1/5. Another 21/8. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 21 will be our dividend, and 8 will be our divisor. Now, how many times does 8 go into 21? So the answer is 2. Multiply the answer and the divisor. 8 times 2 equals 16. Subtract 21 minus 16 equals 5. Now, the quotient 2 will be our whole number, and the remainder 5 will be our numerator. And copy the denominator 8 here. So 8 will be our denominator. So the answer is 2 and 5/8. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions. You only have 5 seconds to answer. 9/4. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 2 and 1/4. Next, 7/2. Time's up. The answer is 3 and 1/2. 5/3. Time's up. The answer is 1 and 2/3. 11/4. Time's up. The answer is 2 and 3/4. 13/6. Time's up. The answer is 2 and 1/6. Next, 20/3. Time's up. The answer is 6 and 2/3. Next, 23/7. Time's up. The answer is 3 and 2/7. Next, 31/4. Time's up. The answer is 7 and 3/4. 43/10. Time's up. The answer is 4 and 3/10. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about changing improper fraction to mixed number. Thanks for watching.